Welcome and welcome back. In this video, we're going to elaborate on a common drill to help improve your snatch art.
A lot of people will call this the elevator drill. The idea is you're going to bring the kettlebell gradually higher and higher and higher until you go from basically a version of a one-arm swing all the way into a snatch. Good for beginners. It's also good for learning to tame your arc, as people call it, which really means keeping the arc nice and tight, keeping the bell nice and tight. We see some problems with this though. It's not about doing the drill, it's about doing the drill correctly. Often what we'll see is 3 different levels. You'll see the bell out here, you'll see the bell out here, then we'll go and we'll have a snatch, a sloppy snatch overhead. Arms really long, we don't like that. Lockout's a little clumsy. 2 real keys to making this happen. One is you got to keep the upper arm connected to the body. So what a lot of people call a T-Rex swing. Really, really handy for learning a snatch. You're learning how to move the bell with your hips and keeping the bell connected to your body with your arm. Once the bell gets high enough, what we don't want to see is that. Okay, we don't want to see the bell start to come forward. We want to see it peel away. Motions at the shoulder here. As it peels away, once he gets to right about there, he can do his lockout. Go ahead and show him. Okay, arms connected, gets gradually higher and higher, peels away, good. That bell stays close. If you don't keep that bell close, your snatch is not going to be a vertical skill. If you want it to be nice and tight, if you want to keep the snatch vertical, try this drill. Just make sure keep the arm connected and have the arm gradually pull away rather than moving forward.
Great. Download Bells by Iron Revival on the Apple App Store. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Stay strong.